Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the KP Weather Severe Weather Center. I know it's been a while, but we do have a winter storm warning here in effect. I'm just going to go ahead and break into your programming just to show you that. You can also probably see, you're also going to see a sneak peek of our new system here. Let's go ahead and we'll check that out and see all the stuff going on there because there's some stuff going on around, by the way. I know I haven't posted it, but WR100's here. The only reason I haven't posted the unboxing is because, well, the tuner's broken, but we're getting that fixed, so don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Skycam outside. That's the wrong one. In fact, that's the under construction one. This is not the right one either. Let's go to the outdoor cam. Come on, thank you. Outdoor cam, again, it looks very pixelated, but that's because that's an old camera, about like what 2008 some. So, but overall, we're seeing pretty clear, cloudy skies out there. It looks more cloudy on my end, but let's go ahead and go to our new main screen here. How do you like it? Does it look good? Please tell me in the comments below. This is definitely beta. I'm definitely going to have more things like Skycam and the Storm Prediction Center outlook below, and I'll probably do something up here with this sidebar or with this top bar later on. But and I will also have the alerts start to scroll through all of them, not just the one here, because this is just doing the most severe alerts. So that's going to be our winter storm warning right here. The stuff in pink you see here. We also have a bunch of rain and snow. We do have a winter weather advisory down here. Let's go ahead. Let's see, radar toolbox, just so I can see here. Let's go to, is this snow? No. But, composite reflectivity. Okay, so this is what we're really seeing here on composite. Now, if I go through here, let's switch to our new one. Actually, that does look a lot better. Okay, so we'll keep that. And, yeah, let me see if I can try and find our snowfall outlook to see if any of this is snow. Because digital correlation coefficient, no. Would this work? I think this will. So all the stuff you see here in blue, I do believe is snow right now. Or is it this one? Something like that. I don't know. But most of this is snow, is what you need to really know from this point on. Hello, reflectivity. Reflectivity? Well, okay, welcome back. So most of this is snow. It does come off as rain because this is just standard reflectivity. So it's just showing you there's precipitation here. This doesn't have to be rain, but this is what we're seeing here. It also seems. Can we go back to decimal, please? Thank you. Okay, screw you too. Go back, please. Thank you. But yeah, sorry about that. We have a lot of stream issues, especially when I'm switching stuff up. But so yeah, we have a winter storm warning from what I'm seeing on my screen. This is going to be in effect and on your screen it says it expires in 1 day, ending at 12 o'clock on Saturday. Um, it is expected, and its certainty is likely. Um, Winter storm warning remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Saturday night, is what it says on mine. Um, but that's just what we're going to see for right now. We're going to see a bunch of snow come through. What we're really seeing here is we're going to see freezing rain and stuff come through here over the course of the day. And overall, we might see some snow into Monday as well. That's just been what we've been seeing here. But if you give me a minute, I'm sending myself the files that I need to show you here on stream because I got them on my phone, and then I don't know why I didn't just get them on my computer in the first place, but we'll go ahead and see what's going on here. I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. Let's go ahead and switch over because I've already got it set up. Now, this is still kind of under construction. We're going to get a background kind of for it here in a minute. But the first thing we can expect here is hazardous travel this evening and Saturday. So we have a winter weather advisory over mainly uh, the main eastern and central portions of Nebraska, even some going down there into southeast Nebraska. Then we have a winter storm warning for portions of northeast Nebraska. Um, and then, so basically, travel impacts, we have slippery roads, reduced visibility, some blowing and drifting on Saturday. So light freezing rain and snow will be possible late tonight and may lead into hazardous travel. Widespread snow, some heavy, and wind will cause dangerous travel on Saturday. So forecast confidence in the snow amounts, according to the National Weather Service here, is at a medium going into high. So that's not a good thing to see on this, but we're going to have to prepare for it. But our next one here is light snow and freezing rain Friday afternoon. So this is today. So at 3 p.m. today, we can expect a bunch of freezing rain for most of the southeast portion of Nebraska, and then the northeast portion has even light snow. And then about 6 p.m. tonight, include the entire state, at least eastern wise, will be seeing eastern and central. We'll be seeing some light freezing rain, so that's going to freeze down on our roads and cause a bunch of ice. But on top of that, we might see some snow in locations, which means we're going to see a lot of slushy and sloshy snow everywhere. And we're going to have ice freezing over and frozen snow more than it's already frozen. It's going to freeze together, stuff like that, which makes it even harder to remove and stuff like that. So we will see, but light snow and light freezing. Jesus. Sorry, everybody, I cannot speak today. Light snow and light freezing rain will continue to develop this afternoon and continue into the evening. Amounts will be light, but any light freezing rain may quickly make tra- travel travel hazardous. Oh my God! Um, can you tell I woke up a few hours ago? Uh, um, assume that any roads appearing wet may actually be slick and icy, so just be careful about that. Temperatures may rise above freezing in far southeast Nebraska, so that's good, but that's probably the only reason we're not going to see any snowfall really here, at least until further on into the week, because we are going to see that further on into the week, especially Sunday and Monday, and maybe even Tuesday. We could see some snow covering the entire state. But the heaviest snowfall amounts will be focused north and east. Um, exact temperature will be key to snow versus rain on the southern edge of the storm. So increasing winds on Saturday will cause some blowing and drifting. Rain snow mix early Saturday with temperatures near freezing will play a huge role in total snowfall amounts within the pink shaded area. And Lincoln is in one of those. We got 2 to 5 inches here in the Lincoln area, expected possibly, but just a degree warmer will mean much less snow in this area on the edge of the rain snow line. So we have a bit of an ultimatum here, depending on what the weather does. But we'll keep you posted on that. But 3 to 7 inches in Albion, 3 to 7 inches in Columbus, 4 to 9 inches in Norfolk, 6 to 11 inches in Tacoma, 6 to 10 inches in Hartington, 7 to 12 inches in Sioux City, trace to 2 inches in Hebron, 1 to 3 inches in Beatrice, 2 to 4 inches in Nebraska City, trace to 2 inches in Falls City, 2 to 5 inches in Grand Island, 2 to 6 inches in Ord, and did I already go over? No, I don't think I did. 4 to 6 inches in O'Neill and 4 to 6 inches in Niobrara. So that's basically what we're seeing here in the entire state. Um, as far as that, now we have one more graph to go over. That's basically right here. Potential for hazardous travel due to winter weather. So tonight through Saturday, almost 60 to 90% in the red. Um, and it looks like Lincoln might be touching 90 to 100% in the dark red, and then 60 to 90 in the orange. Or so I think 60 to 90 is either the red or it's the yellow, and then 30 to 50 would probably be the blue. And then on Sunday, it looks like most of that gets out of the area. So, but I'm seeing late tonight or late Sunday night, we're supposed to get a bunch of snow into Monday. So I don't know. We'll have to see in the future there. But that's just basically what we're seeing now. You've already been you've already got a bunch of warnings from the National Weather Service. But I will not digress. You need to bundle up if you go outside. Try to stay inside as best you can, and if you do have to travel, make sure you have a snack of your desired preference because if you get stranded, you're going to need something to eat. Your body needs fuel. Um, don't forget to pack blankets in your car, something, just first aid kit, anything that you need. Maybe one of those flash cones or something, just in case you get stranded out there. You have everything you need to survive, at least for the minute. Make sure your phone is always charged so you can call for emergency services, which in situations like these, we may get a 911 telephone outage, or we might have something where the fire department and the EMS and police are currently so busy or they can't get out of their own stations because it's so icy that it might be delayed a minute. Now, don't uh, don't panic on that. Um, Now, in that situation, if they do call those, which it might be rare for that, your best bet is to, if you can, get somebody else to drive you to a nearest hospital or a station to get help. But otherwise, if it's not that serious, who knows? But that is rare to happen, and even then, they will still have it running. It's just fire department may be delayed, or emergency services in general might be delayed by like a few minutes or so, which I mean, it's not that much, but it does count in emergency situations. So we'll see. I will be covering this as it happens, and I'll try to get 24/7 weather to get back up and running soon. But as you can see, I'm still kind of working on the stream. The stream's still under construction, so we'll see. But thank you everybody for watching, and that was just my quick little weather update for the time period. And I'll go ahead and put you back to this is not a 24/7 weather program, so I can't say I'm putting you back to regular scheduled programming, can I? I'll so I guess I'll just see you when we come back on. There, I did it. All right. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.